We just lost 46 points. Injury increase. What the? Was defeated. How? Okay. It's a good thing we. Whoops. Too far.
Do we have any save states right before we go into this cutscene?
A little bit before.
Alright, good, because I think we might need to grind again.
Let's try Nataro.
Alright.
Alright, we're just gonna hold it.
We're gonna horn it.
Ah, he's...
What? One hit? Really?
Why does my thing just... Okay. Let's try one more time before we go grind. We need to pick a monster that'll show up soon. So, probably something that we found in this cave.
Down. No, down more.
Can't go down more. Ichthyosaur.
Well, see the time and how it says like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I think 1 are like the ones who will come fastest.
Yeah, let's choose Ichthyosaur. I don't know what he does, but Ichthyosaur arrived.
I told you.
Yeah, Fangus attack. Should we speed?
Let's try hitting him, cause
Horn.
No hit.
It's weaker than Horn though.
Oh, okay, sure.
Horn. Attack Horn, yeah, boy. Poison damaged. Fangus was hurt by poison. Ichthyosaur attack. Ichthyosaur didn't follow? What? And yeah, killed Fangus. Alright, Ichthyosaur, it's up to you. Enemy's weight will be last. What the?
Wow.
Sukoi early. Wait, how come she can summon 2 monsters? I'm diving. Yeah!
Whoa, seriously?
Okay, how come he wouldn't listen to us before?
I don't know, but...
Sukoi attack bite. He didn't follow, what? Didn't follow? What? Chorus, welcome. Be careful. Okay, so if this guy would actually, like, listen to us...
He might be like a game breaker. Yeah,
oh,
grind.
wait, okay. Yeah. Let's see. 6. Alright, so... Let's grind Ichthyosaur. Ichthyosaur ride that. Okay, why was Ichthyosaur, like, ignoring us?
I have no clue. It might be something along the lines of how in Pokemon if you don't have a certain badge, then your Pokemon ignore you if they're too high of a level.
Well, that's only if they're traded, but do you... Frick. Yeah, the key. Stop Tabasco, he wants us to stop her.
But he's Mr. Tabasco.
Yeah, he wants us to stop his wife. They have marriage problems, probably.
Yeah, probably. Redanza?
Yeah. Wait, how come Ichthyosaur never does anything? Like, he arrives really fast, then he just sits there. Oh, now he did something.
Maybe it's just luck.
I need a lot of luck, man. Alright. Yeah, did you just say he vacuumed? At least we're cleaner now.
Elite Hacksaw skills.
Yeah, speeding. Wait, I think Ichthyosaur got another, move. Or something. No, maybe I'm thinking because Ichthyosaur. corn in it. Yeah, I got 80 ball. Yeah, OC appeared. Gosh, it takes these guys so long to go up levels. Creative Fangus raise, yeah. One.
Oh, yes! Double level up.
Wait, fend.
Bolt, Teleg. Teleg.
I still don't know what Bolt and Teleg do. Alright, so do you think we're good enough to...
Maybe. Let's just find out.
Alright, we'll fight these guys too. Because why not? Getting all these balls.
Yep. Getting so many balls.
Oops. Couldn't aim temporarily. There's an ambush.
Now save.
Unlock the door, and it does nothing to indicate that it's locked.
Or unlocked.
Alright.
Constipated faces.
Yep.
Upstairs, blah blah blah.
Yeah, talk.
Head.
Call reinforcements.
Blue head and leather.
Alright, see you again. Alright. So, let's speed. Speed of Fangus will be careful. Heat poisons are Ichthyosaur.
Dive.
Yeah! Alright, so if we can beat this guy before his people get here, then we're good. Yes! Alright! Expo 13. Lost being beaten down by
Lemur.
Lemur?
I think it was Lemur.
We're a lemur. It's really annoying. Yeah. You telling us. Damn it. It really makes me mad. Yeah, we get the idea, lady. Please keep this in mind. Yeah, I can't forget it because you told me like 3 different ways. Beck, I want to... Oh, now we're Beck again? I want to be the great head. Okay.
She gave us a key.
She tossed it into the air. And it slowly floated.
Antenna tree has been found. Antenna tree? What?
Key to the antenna tree. Remember the one that we walked straight along? Yeah.
Oh, 4 revolvers?
4 revolvers.
Great, now we can just kill monsters ourselves.
Wait, we got 4 pieces of what? I didn't even read. And then Fangus is jumping. It's time for us to leave. Wait.
Time to leave.
Did Fangus just talk?
Yes.
Someone's calling us. How do we, how do we, hold on a second. Controls. Yeah, enter a start. Hold on, let's save state. Because that was really annoying.
Wait, how many episodes is this?
This is 3 today, I think.
Oh,
this will make 4. Okay, why is it not?
Are we gonna stop at 4?
Hold on a second, guys. Alright, alright, let's see.
It's just not there.
You played Bobtail all day yesterday, and why is it not letting me do anything? This is really annoying.
Huh.
Well. May have broken the game. I see my phone is flashing. Hold on a second.